To create a tape diagram for this, we're going to start with M. So this whole piece is M. And then we're going to take away 7 of it. So we're going to get rid of 7. And we're going to be left with 17. So to figure out what M is, we need to combine 17 and 7 to figure out how much M is in all. And 17 plus 7 is 24. So M has to be 24. If we were to do this algebraically, we're thinking of it in terms of our algebra tiles, we have a variable and then 7 red number tiles. To move our variables and our number tiles into 2 separate categories, we need to move this 7 over to the other side. When we do that, we have to change the sign. We flip them over. So they leave this side, and we're left with M, and they move over to this side over here. 17 plus 7 is 24, which is what we got when we did it using the tape diagrams. This one is going to be solved algebraically. We want our variable pieces and our number pieces to be on separate sides of the equal sign. So I need to move this one here. To move something to the other side, I have to change it by flipping it over and then move it. So N equals, and then 25 minus 14 is 11. N equals 11. Here we're going to solve this one using our tape diagram. So we start with P, and we add 8 to it, and it gives us 18. We're going to build another diagram that is also equal to 18. So we're going to put the 8 piece here. And in order to make 18, we need 10 plus 8. So P must be 10. To solve this algebraically, we could think of flipping these tiles over and moving them to the other side. So P, oh, I wrote that wrong. There should be an 8 here. P equals 10. On this side, to solve it algebraically, we want to flip these tiles over. So from a negative tile to a positive tile, they're going to leave this side and move over here. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So G has to be 76. Here we start with M. We added 108. And this is all equal to 243. So if we want this to be equal to 243, we need a number plus 108 that gives us 243. And we can work backwards by subtracting. And that'll tell us that this piece right here needs to be 135. So M has to equal 135. Or algebraically, we can think of it as flipping these number tiles to move them over. And they go over here. 243 minus 108 gave us 135.